Suppose that the common shares of ED Co. are forecast to pay annual dividends of $5 at the end of each of the next 5 years, followed by dividends of $8 per year in perpetuity. What's the fair market value of the shares today if the market requires an 8% annually compounded rate of return on shares having similar degree of risk? Let's go ahead and set up the following time diagram with the two timestamps here of importance. We have today, the focal point, where we're actually going to try to calculate the fair market value of our shares. And then we also have this important time period of 5 years from today where the monetary amount's going to change. And so I'm thinking in order for us to solve this question, we can break it up into a 4-step process. We can find the principal value of the perpetuity stream of these $8 payments happening at the end of every year. Once we do that, that's going to land this amount of money at the 5-year from today point. And then what we'll need to do is we will need to just bring that back in time or discount this by using the principal amount for compound interest. And that'll bring that money back to the today focal point. In the third step, we can deal with the payments of $5. And since we have a definitive start time and a definitive end time, we can treat this like a typical annuity. We don't need to treat this like a perpetuity. But we should be able to apply a principal value or present value formula here as well. And that'll bring these $5 payments to the focal point of today. And then our last step is to add up these two values, the PV value from the green payment stream and the P-CI value from the red payment stream. So let's start by working on the red payment stream. Here, what we have is we have end of year payments of $8. And we have an 8% annually compounding rate. So let's take 8 and let's divide by 0.08. And dividing these two numbers gives a PV of $100. And then what we need to do is we need to use the discounting formula or present value formula for compound interest. So let's take our $100 that's right now at the 5-year mark, and let's discount it using our annually compounding rate. So 1 plus 0.08. And we need to discount this by 5 years. Doing that gives a fair market value today of the red payment stream to be $68.06. Next up, we need to deal with the green payment stream. And since payments are happening at the end of every year, we can go ahead and apply the principal value formula for an ordinary, simple annuity. We know the payment size here is $5. And we know that I is 8% compounded annually. If we go back and look at our time diagram, we see that there are going to be 5 equal-sized payments of $5, one happening at the end of every year. So we're going to take n here to be -5. Simplifying the resulting expression gives us $19.96. And so to finish off this question, what we need is the fair market value today. And we need the fair market value of the red payment stream, which is given by what we calculated in step 2. And we need to add to that the fair market value of the green payment stream, which we calculated in step 3. Adding both of these up, we see that the fair market value is $88.02.